Hi children, welcome to your EVS class. How are you all? Okay, all are fine and safe. Today, let us do an activity. Are you ready? Yes. We can transplant these plants into pots. Do you know this plant? Look at here. This plant, do you know? Look. Yes, this is lady's finger plant. This is its root, and this is its stem. These are its leaves. This is its flower. This flower grown into fruit. This is its fruit, lady's finger. And which is this plant? Which is this plant? Look at here. This is its root, and this is its stem. This is its leaf, and this is its flower. Do you know this plant? Yes, this is chili plant. This is its fruit. Do you know some leaves are eatable? These chili leaves are eatable. We can make bhajis and upperi with this leaf. And look at this tree. This is drumstick tree. These drumstick leaves are eatable. These drumstick leaves are eatable. And this is its flower. This flower also eatable. We can make upperi with this flower. And this flower grown into its fruit. This is drumstick. Look at here. Okay, we can do today's activity. We can transplant these plants into pots. These pots are ready with soil and organic manure. Okay, we can transplant it. This root fix this plant into the soil. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, we can make vegetable garden in our home, and we can use organic vegetables. Water is essential for plants to survive. Parts of plant: root, stem, flower, leaf, fruit. Root, R-O-O-T, root. Stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Let us learn more about these parts in detail. Roots, the part of plants that grow into soil and hold them firmly is called roots. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and supply to the different parts of the plants. We eat roots of some plants as food. For example, tapioca, carrot, and beetroot. Stem, the part of the plant that grows above the soil is called stem. Trees and shrubs have strong stems, but herbs, creepers, and climbers have weak stems. We eat the stem of some plants. For example, sugarcane,
potato and ginger. Potato and ginger are the underground stems. Leaves. Leaves are mostly green. They are of different shapes and sizes. Leaves make food for the plants. We eat the leaves of some plants. For example, spinach, drumstick leaves, and cabbage. Flowers. Most plants bear flowers. Flowers are of different sizes, shapes, and colors. Most flowers smell good. Some flowers grow into fruits. Fruits. Most plants bear fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Some fruits contain one seed. Some contain many seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. We can just summarize. What are the parts of a plant? Yes. Root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit are the different parts of a plant. Hope you understood. Thank you.